The mold on your vinyl siding is not just dirt. It is being kept alive on purpose. Pressure washing companies do not want you to know this. Every spring they knock on your door and quote you $300, $400, sometimes more, just to spray water on your house. And that green and black grime keeps coming back, again and again. Why? Because if it never came back, they would be out of business. Today, you're going to learn how to destroy that mold permanently using something that costs $1. One single ingredient sitting in your bathroom cabinet right now. Stay until the end because the last tip will shock you. Let's talk about what that green film actually is. It is not just algae. It is a living colony of mold and mildew that is literally eating into the surface of your siding, digging into every groove, every seam, every tiny scratch. And it spreads fast. What starts as one small patch behind your gutter turns into a wall of green slime covering your entire north side within a single season. You have seen it. Maybe you're looking at it right now from your window. You feel embarrassed when guests pull into your driveway. You feel embarrassed comparing your house to your neighbor's clean white siding. And so you call a pressure washing company. They show up in a big truck, spray for 20 minutes, and hand you a bill for $200, $300, sometimes $500. You pay it because you feel like you have no choice. 6 months later, the mold is back. You call again. You pay again. One homeowner told me she has spent over $1,200 over 3 years fighting the same patch of mold on her siding, fighting something that never actually gets fixed. It just gets sprayed off the surface while the roots stay alive underneath. This is not an accident. This is the business model. And you have been funding it without even realizing it. Here is what nobody in the pressure washing industry wants you to know. This problem was actually solved decades ago. Back in the 1950s, chemical companies discovered a compound that could kill mold and algae at the root, not just on the surface. It was cheap, it was simple, and it threatened an entire service industry before it even existed. What I am about to show you was buried because it could not be patented, could not be bottled with a fancy label, and could not be sold for $50 a jug. Only a small percentage of people alive today even know this fact. Big cleaning companies spent millions building an industry around expensive treatments, specialty sprays, and subscription-based mold prevention plans, all while this $1 solution sat quietly on pharmacy shelves the entire time. Think about that for a second. The answer was never hidden in a lab. It was hidden in plain sight. It was sitting in your medicine cabinet the whole time, right next to your bandages. And nobody ever told you what it could really do. Once you see this, you will never look at your siding the same way again. You will never call a pressure washing truck again either. The secret is hydrogen peroxide. Yes, the same brown bottle sitting under your sink right now. Not a fancy powder, not a $50 bottle from a hardware store. A $1 bottle you can grab at literally any pharmacy. Here's why it works so well. Mold and algae are living organisms. They survive because of their cell structure. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen the moment it touches organic material like mold. That release of oxygen tears apart the cell walls of the mold spores from the inside out. It does not just wipe the mold away like soap does, it kills it at a cellular level. This is the exact same reason hospitals use it to sterilize wounds. If it can destroy bacteria on human skin, imagine what it does to mold sitting on plastic siding. Professional pressure washing companies charge you $200 to $500 because they use pressure alone, which blasts mold off the surface but leaves the roots completely intact. That is why it always comes back. Hydrogen peroxide does not rely on pressure. It relies on chemistry, and chemistry does not grow back in 3 months like a lawn does. The price difference alone should make you angry. $300 from a company versus $1 from a pharmacy shelf. Same result. Actually, better results, because you're killing the mold instead of just blasting it away for a few weeks. This simple ingredient contains the exact same active compound used in industrial mold remediation, just diluted to a safe household strength. And you are about to use it the right way. First, grab a plastic spray bottle. 32 ounces is perfect. Then pour in 3% hydrogen peroxide, the regular brown bottle kind. No need for anything stronger. Next, do not dilute it with water. Full strength is what kills mold at the root. Many people make the mistake of watering it down like vinegar, and that is why their results are weak. Do not do that. Then pick a cloudy day or early morning, because direct sunlight breaks down hydrogen peroxide too quickly before it can finish working. After that, spray it generously over every green and black patch. Make sure it drips down into the seams and grooves. That is where the roots are hiding. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. You will actually see it bubbling and fizzing. That fizz is the mold cell walls breaking apart in real time. Next, take a soft bristle brush, never a wire brush, and gently scrub the loosened mold in circular motions. Finally, rinse with a regular garden hose. No pressure washer needed at all. One small tip, always test a hidden spot first. Some very old or faded siding can react differently, and never mix hydrogen peroxide with bleach or ammonia. That combination creates dangerous fumes, so keep it as the only ingredient in that bottle. The results speak for themselves. Within 20 minutes, you will watch decades-old stains and fresh green mold simply disappear off your siding. Not fade, disappear. One viewer messaged me saying she saved $800 by doing her entire 2-story house herself in one afternoon using 4 bottles that cost her less than $5. Total. Another viewer said his neighbor asked which company he hired, and he just laughed and said a dollar store. Because hydrogen peroxide kills mold at the root instead of just blasting the surface, the results last far longer than any pressure washing service. Many people report their siding staying clean for 1 to 2 full years, sometimes longer, especially if you do a quick follow-up spray every few months in shaded, damp areas. Compare that to paying for a truck to show up every single spring. Before, their siding looked gray, streaky, and embarrassing. After, it looks like the day it was installed. Bright, clean, white again. And the best part? This works whether your house is old or brand new. This is not a temporary trick. This is a permanent shift in how you take care of your home, and it costs less than a cup of coffee. Now you know the truth that pressure washing companies never wanted you to see. You know why that green mold kept coming back, no matter how much you paid, and you know exactly how to destroy it permanently for the price of a candy bar. If this saved you money today, hit that like button so more homeowners can see the truth instead of getting overcharged every single spring. Subscribe right now because next video, I'm exposing another $1 household trick that the pest control industry has been hiding for decades, and it is even more shocking than this one. One final tip. Before you go, spray your outdoor trash cans with the same mixture. It kills the bacteria, causing that awful smell instantly. You do not need to be rich to have a beautiful home. You just need to know what they do not want you to know. Go take your house back.